this knife has a story to tell. Hey guys, I hope you're having a super fantastic day wherever you might be. Thanks for coming by. Victorinox Rangerwood 55 in the woods, but it took me 5 hours and 56 minutes to get to my woods because I cycled the entire way. That was a long ride. My body is, like they say in Great Britain, knackered. I'm knackered. I still got to push my bike and all the gear up the hill to the little spot that I'd like to go to. So I'm going to do an overnight. First overnight in the woods I've ever done. Hope you like it. I have no idea how it's going to turn out. The good thing is the weather is awesome. The mornings will be cool. It's early September here in Canada, Western Canada. But right now it's 25, 26 Celsius. Sorry, I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit. Yeah, 64.4 kilometers traveled today. Wow. And I didn't stop except to push my bike up a couple of really steep hills. Woo! Okay, so I'm going to keep this preamble as short as I can. A couple of house cleaning, business things, whatever you want to talk about. Before I left the house yesterday, the views on this channel were just ballistic. The subscribers kind of do this, but the views were way up there. I don't know, maybe somebody shared it, I don't know. Which ties into what I want to talk about. If you guys want to see my channel grow, if you want to see more of this in the woods, I've got a ton of ideas. It's up to you. I can come up with the ideas and the content, but the like, share, subscribe, that's what makes the channels grow. All channels grow, not just mine, everyone's. I put a feeler or two out there to some knife manufacturers, see if I can get some loaners in the woods. Every video I've done are my own knives, and I'm okay with that too. I still got a ton of knives to go through. I'm not a sponsored channel, as you know. But I thought I'd put that out there. Some knives you guys have requested that you want to see in the woods. That's fine. I've had some of them I'm sold off, but anyway, I've reached out to some of the manufacturers. Let's see where that goes. 2 or 3, I don't know what topic I'm on right now. If you subscribe to this channel because of my most popular video, which is my monster folders from Cold Steel, it gets like a bazillion views. Really, it does. You got to understand, I can't sustain an entire channel based on that one video. I'm a knife nut, just like you. Most of you who come here are knife nuts. Some of you like my music, which is fine too, but that's a very small amount. The majority of you like knife content, which is fine. I love coming out here and doing them out in the woods anyway, so it's win-win for me. What else do I got? I think that's pretty much it. It's up to you guys. You guys want to keep this channel going, you know what you have to do. You hardcore long-time subscribers, you know who you are. I don't have to say anything. You guys are awesome. All the new people on board, it's not a cycling channel. I just rode my bike 6 hours to do it overnight. Where I am, I can't bring a vehicle. If I had my vehicle parked out there right now, guaranteed the Ranger would probably be on me, and I don't want that. So this is stealth, but legal. And I don't think I'm going to say anything else. I'll say a couple more things. Sorry. I'm cycling out here. You got to understand, you go through so many different things, like hardcore fatigue. Why am I doing this? Then elation. Wow, this is great. Then it's back into this dark, deep well, and you're pushing the bike up the mountain road. Why am I doing this? I had songs going through my head from the 70s that I don't think I've even heard since the 70s, mixed with like Iron Maiden. I don't know what to say there, but some of you might appreciate that. When you push your body to the limit, and when I do say limit, I mean limit. I have not been this tired since I was in the military in the 80s. That's how tired I am right now. I'm gonna push that bike up that hill and set up my tent. Let the video begin now.
I can't stand intros.